Hello everyone, myself Rishikesh Kokate. We are going to perform role play activity on phases and transformation of iron carbon diagram. We have created this role play activity under the guidance of N.S. Gaikwad sir. My group members are Manas Mali, Vaibhav Pawar, Pranav Shinde, Shantanu Gumre and Sarthak Kasturi. I am playing the role of ferrite. I have two types. One is alpha ferrite and second one is delta ferrite. I am interstitial solid solution of carbon in low temperature in BCC structure. I am soft, ductile and ferromagnetic up to 768 degrees centigrade. Now delta ferrite. I am interstitial solid solution of carbon in high temperature in BCC structure. I am also soft and ductile. Thank you.
My name is Manas Nanagumari. My roll number is 26 and I am playing a role of austenite. I am an interstitial solid solution of carbon in gamma ion. I am pure form of ion having FCC structure with average number of atom equal to 4 and I am non-magnetic in nature. Solubility of carbon in gamma ion is 2% at 1147 degrees Celsius. I am stable only above 727 degrees Celsius. My properties are: first, I am soft, ductile and malleable. Second, I have good permeability and weldability. Third, my grades also have a low yield stress and relative high tensile strength. Thank you.
My name is Vaibhav Sandeep Pawar. I am playing a role of cementite. I am also known as iron carbon. I am very hard, brittle, intermetallic compound of iron and carbon. I am hardest structure that appears on the diagram. My crystal structure is also rhombic. I have low tensile strength but high compressive strength. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pranav Shinde. I am playing role of peritectic. My reaction is solid phase and liquid phase will together form a second solid phase at a particular temperature and composition. I shows two peritectic reaction at which of liquid reacts with a solid phase to give intermetallic compound. My alloys with a carbon content between 0.09% to 0.53% encounter peritectic boundaries. I am inverse reaction occurs with heating. Thank you.
My name is Shantanu Gumre. I am explaining about detector reaction. My reaction is an isothermal reversible reaction in which a solid phase is converted into two or more intimately mixed. On cooling, the number of solids forms being the same as the number of components in the system. During slow cooling of an iron carbon alloy, peritectite forms by my reaction as austenite cools down below 720 degrees Celsius. My steel with fine structure, which consists of ferrite mixture with the average size about 4.9 micrometer and cementite particles mainly within ferrite.
Hello, myself Sarthak Kasturi. I am playing the role of eutectic transformation. A eutectic transformation occurs at 1130 degrees centigrade. My carbon equivalent of 4.3% is referred to as eutectic cast iron. A three-phase reaction by which on cooling a liquid transforms into two solid phases at the same time. For example, liquid alloy becomes a solid mixture of alpha and beta at a specific temperature. A eutectic system, there is always a specific alloy known as eutectic composition that freezes at a lower temperature than all other compositions. At my temperature, two solids form simultaneously to form a single liquid phase. My properties are: I am not expensive, I have good fluidity, I have low liquid temperature, plus I am readily castable. Thank you.